You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Friday, May 26th. We've got a great show for you today. So let's go ahead and let's jump right in. All this week we've been trying to get a food stock for gamers, and today's stock is Yum Brands, which is Taco Bell, KFC, Pizza Hut are their biggest brands that they have. So let's take a look at this and finish out the week with our gaming food stocks that we're looking to invest in. We'll do our next show. We'll get all the stocks that we looked at this week together, and we'll finalize which one we're picking to potentially add to our list to invest in. But let's take a look at Yum and do our due diligence here. They're trading sideways today. Over the last year, they've been up pretty good. 5 years, a little sideways, up a little bit. Statistics, let's take a look at what they've got statistic-wise. They are above their 200-day moving average, so they got some momentum. 22 times forward earnings, not bad. Talking about year-over-year growth, they don't have a ton of growth there. That's not a good sign. Operating cash flow of $1 billion, $500 million versus $9 billion in debt. A little more debt than we'd like to see, certainly, for a restaurant company. Usually they do carry quite a bit, but that is a pretty big amount. Now, diving into Yum Brands, let's take a look at that. We looked at some of the other companies' strategies, especially McDonald's. And let's see, Yum Brands, we want their last investor meeting presentation here. We'll pull that up. So Yum Brands. Transformation. Okay, looking at where they're growing and what they want to do, they look at themselves as they've got the largest pizza, Mexican, and chicken brands out there of those types of food. And they're basically, they want to just stay the biggest in those areas. Looking at the transformation, their growth here. I had a couple of things I wanted to just show you. Basically, they're relying on their brand strength, and they don't have a lot of technology things in there. Here we go. This is where it comes up with they want to leverage their design and their stores and just stay ahead of the game, being the leaders. They don't talk about digital strategy of what they want to do, like McDonald's had, with basically utilizing technology to get more people in, make it a better experience, et cetera, et cetera. Enhancing financial value. There we go. It's really, transforming it to increase free cash flow, reduce volatility, increase capital return. It's all really business, general business terms with where they want to grow, and there's not a lot of stuff in here about deep details and what they're going to do, to get people and to grow that, and particularly compared to McDonald's, with they really are leveraging technology to get them there, and that is the big thing. Is companies need that strategy on how they're going to utilize the data that they gather from the people in the stores that are buying their goods and leverage that to make more sales. And if you just pile through the presentation, I'll put it on there. Certainly nowhere near the degree of a McDonald's with what they're going to do technology-wise to leverage that in a game plan there. They basically are, to me, I took it as a little bit of they're patting themselves on the back for being the largest and being very creative in design and what they have with their stores. And they're going to use that and kind of rest on their laurels a little bit to get that type of growth. And I'm not feeling, I don't have a very bullish feeling on Yum to kind of tip my hat with where we're going to go Monday. But Yum, pull them back up here. They had an okay dividend, I think. I'll give them that. Let's just pull them back up, finish it off here. 1.6%, so it's lower than a lot of the other ones that we saw. Don't know if they'll make the cut when we do our video, but that's Yum. Let me know if you have any food stock ideas when we do this next show, which might be Tuesday with the holiday. I haven't decided if I'm going to do one Monday or not. We'll take a look at all the stocks together and we'll pick which ones to put on our show. Let us know which one of the food stocks, Texas Roadhouse, McDonald's, Nestle, Yum, which one of those you liked. Let us know. We'll decide on our next show what it ends up being ultimately. That's it for this episode of Investor XP. If you want to contact the show, the information's on the screen behind me. Thanks for watching. Email us, tweet us. This weekend, play some Friday the 13th. Looks like a fantastic indie game. That's what we're going to be playing. Looks great. Can't wait. Starting this evening, I'll probably start playing it. Monday, I don't know how much stock news I'm going to be talking about if I do a show Monday. I'll definitely have a review of Friday the 13th and the ARMS test fires coming out. So I'll put that out Monday. Might do a couple of stock articles Monday. Got some interesting viewer picks to go over. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we will see you Monday.